everybody, it's Max and Kev.
Today we're going waterfall hunting. We're going to head up north to Terjun Waterfall and then come back down to the Sky Bridge and the 3D Arc.
We're here in Langkawi for 4 days. Hopefully it's enough time to check out everything Langkawi has to see.
These helmets are sick.
They look like Ninja Turtles.
So need 2 ringgit 60 to fill up the scooter and it's 35 ringgit a day to rent it.
Took just under 55 minutes to come from Pantai Chinang all the way up here to Terjun Waterfall.
It's the river over there.
Or where the river would be.
Swim time.
If there was lots of water, it would be a huge waterfall. But with no water, it's just a very tall rock. Welcome to Terjun Waterfall.
The good thing about there not being water at the waterfall, it means we can go rock climbing.
From the beach here you can actually see Thailand, so you can see the islands of Thailand and the mainland as well.
We've never been to Thailand, so to be able to see it so close is really cool. If you do come on a day where there's no water in the waterfalls and you're looking for something else to do, just about a kilometre?
Yeah, maybe 2 kilometers.
Up the road from Terjun Waterfall, on the left hand side you have this little entrance to this amazing little beach. It's not crowded, everyone's in the water, so we're gonna jump in. If you can't swim at the waterfall, you can swim in the ocean.
Hey guys.
So about that end of the dry season we were talking about, we're here at the start of the wet season.
Now it's pouring.
We bought the rain for the waterfall.
But then when we went to the beach and we went swimming in it was a really nice beach where we went swimming, took the GoPro in, somehow the water got in the GoPro.
We only took the GoPro underwater like maybe 10 seconds. Then we maxed it up, it had an error and it got water in it.
So at the moment the GoPro is out of action. For now, it's gonna be you and me. When I say you and me, I mean that camera that you're on right now. Yeah. Plus, after the GoPro broke, we got hit with the biggest thunderstorm ever. We're not gonna let this get us down.
We might go to the 3D village. I think it's more of just a 3D art exhibition and play around in there because that's inside and we can keep dry.
We are soaked.
Yeah, I don't have to let us. I bet that waterfall's looking pretty sick right about now.
We missed it by that much.
A few inches later.
Waterfall number 2.
So literally 5 minutes down the road from the continental village is the Seven Wells Waterfall. And so we're gonna go check this out. We're not gonna go up to the top of the Sky Bridge today because it's covered in clouds, and if you go up there it would just be a waste because you can't actually see anything. We'll go tomorrow and we'll put that in
the next vlog. Also, if you are mapping it from the Skycap area or the Oriental Village, it does take you around a really long way and says it's gonna take half an hour to get there. When you come out of where it is, just turn left towards a little kitchen area and then you just walk up from there.
But these are a common theme here.
So cool.
Wooden rails made out of concrete. So it costs 1 ringgit to park a scooter, 2 ringgit to park your car. It's meant to just be a 10-minute walk from the car park to the waterfall, and then you can actually walk another 20 to 30 minutes up to the top of the waterfall where the 7 wells are.
Only 100 meters.
This is quite a nice nature walk as well though.
Yeah, it's super quiet again. And you should actually be able to hear all the insects rustling in the trees. You can call me David Attenborough.
Wow, it looks pretty big.
Yeah, this one has water. I'd say that's a key ingredient for a waterfall.
Yeah.
Not sure though. It's so cool.
a little blown away by this waterfall. It's actually huge.
In all honesty, we almost didn't come, but it was so close that we had to, and you seriously have to check it out.
Very glad we came. What we're gonna do is walk up to the top there, because that's where the Seven Wells are, up the top. It's actually fresh water here, so if you're thirsty, don't worry about bringing your own water.
Just bring a bottle.
Parker! Wow, it's a lot of steps. Kim's falling behind, guys. Kim, you good? That didn't take too long. Only 377 steps. Oh, look at that viewing platform.
I'm going there first.
This is so cool. So this is the top of the waterfall that we were just at the bottom of. That's just the ocean out there. And here's the cable cart going up the mountain to get to the sky bridge.
You really need mozzie repellent. I don't know if you can see them in the background, but there's literally probably like 300 mozzies.
Everywhere, they're everywhere.
Like they're just hoarding out of the bush.
But what I wanted to show you, just behind Kim there, is the rock slide. So we've got the Seven Wells just behind us here. I want to go try out the rock slide. There's actually like 10 plus monkeys just chilling around here. And they've all got white eyes.
And then this white little tuft at the top of their mouth, and it makes them look like they're smiling all the time.
Or like they're really old.
No, they just look so happy.
But they're just everywhere here. This guy running along. I don't know if you can see this guy in the tree.
Next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know yet. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
Because the sun's gone away and the water's a little bit cold, but it's absolutely worth it. I'm gonna go again. Just escape for a moment, trying everything to.
When you do come to go down the rock slide, make sure you bring your lycra so you go faster. My pants have quite a bit of friction, so I go quite slow, whereas Kim just kind of sloops down the slide.
Yeah, or just if you don't have lycra, just bring your skin. It actually doesn't hurt though. I was really concerned that when I went down I was going to cut my bottom, but it was all good. So I went really slow the first time just to check it all. There is one bit that kind of hurts that Max hit.
Yeah, down the bottom on the right hand side, it's a tailbone breaker. So be careful for that part. But then the pool at the end of the rock slide is actually really deep as well. If
you go down a couple of people at a time, watch out for the pool because you might hit each other. Max was my cushion.
Super fun though. Definitely a must-see thing if you come here. Alright guys, that is the vlog. Today has been an absolute mission of a day. This is just what happens when you travel and nothing goes to plan. But we still had an amazing day, made the most out of it. Tomorrow we're going to head up the top of the gondolas and the sky bridge.
If the weather allows.
Yeah, it's also a public holiday, but they should still be open. If you haven't already, make sure that you smack that subscribe button in the face.
Leave a like, leave a comment. We love hearing from you guys.
Other than that, stay safe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.